to start.
Morning, sir.
Morning, morning. Today we need to start a topic name called leverages. How many of you are aware about leverages? Tell me what exactly you understand when we talk about leverages. Okay. To understand this, once again, I would like you to take a round of, I mean, working capital. Sorry, your marginal costing, whereby what exactly you understood when we talk about marginal costing? That was a very important tool for taking decisions. Can you recollect? So thereby also we give the importance to variable cost. Okay, and we take all the decision considering the variable cost. The profit what we have calculated since last so many years is not the profit for the firm. In marginal costing, we calculate the profit which is known as contribution and which is nothing but sales minus variable cost. So we give lot of importance to variable cost. Now in leverage, that thus opposite to that, we give lot of importance to fixed cost. You must have seen many times in the newspaper or news channels that the company is high levered or the company is high geared, which shows that the company has huge amount of fixed cost. Now, fixed cost will be in two different terms. One, either to have the cost of operations. Say, for example, you have fixed rent, fixed salary, or kind of. And another fixed cost is for financial fixed cost, which is known as interest, fixed interest. Both are dangerous to the company. Today, you may take the case study of Jet Airways or any kind of even Kingfisher Airline, which is known to you, or many other companies. That entire company, after 30 years of serving, went into bankruptcy or liquidation only because they could not cover up their fixed costs. Do you agree or not? I mean, the bank interest and loan they could not able to pay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
They had everything, but only to pay off the bank loan, they could not able to manage, and ultimately that entire company went to the liquidation. So again, leverages are very important tools and technique, and that is how here you will get to know whatever I have given a background of your contribution or of your basics of considering the variable cost. All are the part and parcel of leverage computation, and there are two leverages basically. One is operating leverage and another is financial leverage. And third one is combined leverage, that is operating plus financial. So again, it is formula based topic. It's not very difficult topic. It's very simple topic. So I think I have already discussed with you leverages regarding to fixed cost. Okay, and whenever there is a high fixed cost, it is too dangerous for the company. Of course, it always gives the high returns. Okay, I told you there are two kind of leverages: operating leverage and financial leverage. What is the formula for operating leverage? Contribution upon EBIT. So like what we did in cost of capital, similarly we will be doing here also. What is the formula for operating leverage? अभी आपने देखा, sorry, contribution, oh, upon PBIT or EBIT, whatever you want. What is PBIT? Profit before interest and tax. यही है ना बेटा? देखो, am I right? Or change in PBT upon change in sales, whatever the way you want to calculate. Financial leverage. What is the formula? PBIT upon PBT. Degree of financial leverage. So wherever there is a fixed cost, there only you will find there is some leverages. Okay, these are very, and max to max we have combined leverage. Degree of combined leverage. That is nothing but operating into financial. Operating into financial. So max to max, what we can have? Degree of combined leverage. First formula is DOL into DFL. अभी दोनों को अगर करोगे तो क्या होगा? दोनों अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो PBIT एंड PBIT विल गेट कैंसल. तो फाइनली आपको क्या बचेगा? So these are the things which we need to learn in leverages. I have already told you regarding these two leverages, their formulas. Okay, the risk is to be computed. As much as the fixed cost will be there, that much risky those business are. Okay, if the fixed cost is more in operation, the operative cost is very risky. If the fixed cost is more in finance, that financial cost is that much risky to the business concern. I think break-even analysis you know very well. I need not have to tell you. This is very important things which we need to compute here. Sales, variable cost, minus contribution, fixed cost, EBIT, interest. This will always come every now and then. Let me take that also over here. So here what is given in the book? Sales minus variable cost, contribution minus fixed cost is earning before interest and tax. So I will write like that. This will be not profit. This will be PBIT. Profit before interest and tax. So this fixed cost is not comprising your interest. Then from this I will deduct interest. What I will get? प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स. जस्ट चेक. यही है ना, सेल्स, वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, कंट्रीब्यूशन, फिक्स कॉस्ट. ईबीआईटी बोलो या पीबीआईटी बोलो, बोथ आर सेम. उसमें से इंटरेस्ट माइनस करोगे तो पीबीटी और ईएटी. एंड फ्रॉम दिस नाउ इफ आई विल डिडक्ट टैक्स, what I'll get? PAT, profit after tax. Am I right? This all is going
Yes.
to help us to compute our sums, which we'll be getting in due course. So Ambika Limited sells 200 units per annum. The selling price of unit is 300. The variable cost is 70. Fixed operating cost is 600. Calculate the operating leverage. कैसे compute करोगे? Question number 2, page number 214.
Sir, first we can find the ये contribution by
Okay.
sales minus variable cost करके.
Hmm.
So that would be the numerator of the operating leverage.
Hmm.
फिर उसमें से if we, the answer of contribution minus fixed cost would give us EBIT.
And then both the things to be put in the formula, and ultimately I will
हाँ,
get
in
the
the
answer.
formula and you ultimately get.
Yes. So I will take it from here. इतना पार्टी चाहिए ना इस क्वेश्चन के लिए. Sales is given. How much? 200 unit at the rate of 300 per unit. So how much will be the sales? 6 lakhs. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sales will be 6 lakhs. Variable cost 70 per unit for 200 units. 1,40,000. So the contribution will be 4,60,000.
4,60,000.
Fixed cost, fixed operating
60,000.
cost is 60,000. तो EBIT कितना आ जाएगा?
4 lakh.
4 lakhs.
4 lakh.
ये आ गया. तो मेरा फॉर्मूला क्या है? डिग्री ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग लेवरेज. यही पूछा है ना?
Contribution divided by PBIT.
They are asking operating leverage only, no?
Yes, sir.
So contribution was 4,60,000.
Divided by 4 lakhs. So answer is 1.15.
You're right. So I'll get answer is 1.15. So my DOL is ready. यही है आंसर. आ गया क्या? अरे yes or no?
Yes, sir.
नहीं
Yes,
ये
sir.
सब topic. These are very simple topics.
Yes.
Okay. Next one is Y Limited sales its product 20 per unit. Variable cost is 15 per unit. Find out degree of operating leverage when the sales is 3000 units and 3500 units. दोनों का अलग अलग आएगा. What do you understand from degree of operating leverage if these sales volumes fixed cost is 10,000? Can you assist me for this? Okay. One is, see, these are very fixed. Your selling price, how much? 20. Variable cost, 15. Sales 3,400 and 3,000 units. Now let us see, and fixed cost is 10,000. Now let us see what is happening. Okay. So again, I will take this part. This will be my illustration 3, same page. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Honestly speaking, I need all this. It's making. Okay. Now sales is for 3,000 units. And another sales is for 3,000. Sorry. $3,500. Making sense? Selling price
Yes,
was
sir.
60. Selling price was 20, and variable cost was 15. So 20 into 3,000, 6 lakhs. Here it will be 7 lakhs. 15, 4,50,000. Just compute on your calculator and get me the answer. Yes or no? Yes, 60,000. Oh. Are you getting 60,000?
Yes, sir. 60,000.
So how much here you are getting? 3,500 into 15.
70,000.
15 contribution के लिए. Here I will-
15,000.
अरे बाबा सेकंड का बाबा, ये तो मुझे भी आ रहा है. This answer I am also getting.
5,25,000.
Huh?
52,500.
50 to 500.
Then contribution कितना आ रहा है?
$17,500. 17,500.
Fixed cost 10,000.
5,000.
$7,500.
7,500.
Let me DUL. Fast. How much you are getting degree of operating leverage?
3.
Sorry,
3.
3. Yes, 3 here, there.
So 3,000 operating leverage is 3.
Here also 3. Mhm.
And the next one is 2.33,
Mm.
3,500 units.
This is how the leverages are